Caleb, don't put the rubbish on the floor. This isn't your house. We're in Mama's salon right now. It's Ramadan day 27. I'm still tired as hell from last night's Mufti Bank event because we came home like 5 a.m. I barely slept. Oh, it's just, I feel terrible. But it's Eid in a few days, so I'm going to get my lashes done now from Mama's salon. She is getting them done for me right now. Mama, your lashes look amazing. Anyways, I'll show you guys the before and after of my eyelashes. This is my lashes done. My skin has been so sensitive because it's like dehydrated like crazy, which is why this has come up and stuff, and I've got crazy hay fever, so my skin's a bit red and it isn't doing very well recently. But yeah, I love my lashes. Mama, thank you so much. I love them. Look at them lashes. So you guys, today we're eating iftar out. But check this. This place, me and my husband came to for Valentine's Day. And in the salad, they had spider in the salad twice, Mama. It's true though.
Don't say that.
Well, they had a spider twice in the salad, haram. So now we're going. It isn't haram. It's the truth. Don't put spiders in your salad. Otherwise, wash your salad.
Shut up.
Like, come on, like, it isn't a big deal.
Don't say bad thing about people.
Just because you didn't have a spider in your salad. The thing is, right? Let me tell you.
And tell them to give me another one.
I told them, and you know what they said? They giggled. This is why I'm saying, and I'm only coming again because Mama said it was really nice, otherwise I wouldn't be coming again. But yeah, they're doing an iftar day, and this is why we're coming for iftar, because supposedly the iftar is really nice and it's like a buffet kind of thing. But and loads of people said it was nice. Maybe it was teething issues because I came when they were quite new. But yeah, let's see how it is. Hey Lily, for those who want to know. It isn't mine, Mama. The inside of it. It's really nice. It's very scenic. And like they have like a shisha place outside it. But hopefully there's no spiders in my food this time, eh? Okay, so this is my plate. It looks really good so far. Amazing. Very good. Guys, the soup is delicious. Look at those. These guys are staying down my house tonight. I know I've said this 1 million times, but it's so upsetting. It's like only 2 days left of Ramadan. So it is Ramadan day 28. Ayla and everybody stayed over last night, as you guys know.
Yesterday was really hot, so I just went on skis.
Yeah, so basically yesterday she was wearing a very cold outfit. I dressed her in my clothes today, except she's wearing her own leggings. How cute are you, baby? You look amazing. You are just so gorgeous. Aren't you gorgeous? Give us a little twirl. The adults have left the kids to me today. My goodness, wish me luck everyone. Nafia has picked us up and we're headed out to town because we're getting a few Eid clothes for the kids, and I'm going to see something for myself as well. And yeah, see you guys in a sec. But wearing a hijab is even more difficult than wearing than not wearing a hijab, because you need to like figure out, okay, put it on right, make it look decent. Yeah. Oh no, Naf, I don't have any clothes for Eid, and I have no foundation as well. I've been using concealer on my skin.
Yeah, I don't have foundation. Hold on. Let's try the...
And the Too Faced one. Apparently, can I tell you, I've checked the reviews for Fenty Beauty, and for dry skin, it isn't good. Everyone says...
Let's try it on our skin.
I'm gonna get the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I think that I should just stick to what I know, and that's it. And it's on offer right now in Debenhams. Instead of £42, it's £35, so I'll be getting it.
Get rid of their food after a certain time.
Yeah.
Basically, you go on the app and you can book.
What is it? What app is it? Because I did... App to go.
Too good to go?
Too good to go.
At 4 o'clock you can get £10 worth of anti-ants for £3.50.
What? How sick?
Every day.
You can book it right now. But you collect
Food to go, yeah?
Good, too good to go.
Too good to go. Okay, too good to go. If you want to download it, you can get half price anti-ants.
It's not half price, mate.
How much is it?
Less than half price.
Oh my god. I love this. It's like the only thing that I look forward to when I come to town. So we're still trying to get Eid clothes for these kids, but they're crazy. And he's dying. He's fed up.
You're going to popcorn straight after?
Yeah, I said I'm cooking a roast dinner. Do you know what? Good. So yeah, we're still trying to get these kids some clothes, and they're crazy.
Mole, 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 mole. Guacamole.
Ugly, 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 ugly. We just clocked Dina. She right there too. Oh my god, oh my god. How'd you feel? You're famous. So we just finished in town and oh my goodness, going town with these children is...
Are your kids that bad? Because I swear it's just our kids. I swear it's our kids. No, I really think it's just our kids.
Oh, I don't even know. They've driven us crazy. So we took ages in town. I picked up like a random jean for Caleb and sunglasses that he's lost, which is so annoying.
How much you pay for them?
They were £5, but still. I picked up some Laura Mercier translucent powder as well. So enough. You picked up.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I have no translucent powder. I needed it. We picked up the Vita Lumiere for Chanel for Nafia, and it was sold out. The shade that she wanted. So waste again. And I need a foundation too, but I'm thinking to either go for the Chanel or the Giorgio Armani. I'll see. Mama was supposed to cook, but she ain't cooking. Mama,
So what do we do?
So
Are we
we're gonna
pick
cook
up stuff then.
Yeah, I guess I'll get some roast chicken.
Sunday. So where are we gonna go?
The bushes.
Is it gonna be open?
Well, yeah, I think so. We'll see. Go to Grangetown. Let's go to one of the halal butchers. So we're in Mama's house now. Everyone's home. Hi, Papa. Papa's making biryani, but I'm making roast chicken. Let me just tell you guys what I've done. It's in here right now. It was basically... Okay, so this is the chicken. Like I said, it's whole chicken. You put butter on it. You put thyme, rosemary, a few crushed chilies, salt, pepper. Inside the cavity, you put half a lemon, onion around it. And now I forgot to put the garlic inside it. Now, how I usually do it, I put butter inside the skin as well because nobody likes the skin to eat. So wait, let me just put a little bit like this. Garlic like this. Just put a little bit on top and make sure you put it inside too. So you lift the skin up and then you put butter inside and you put the garlic inside too. So that's what it's messy. I need to use both hands. So you stuff it in so it's nice and moist, and then you whack it in the oven with foil for about 2 hours, and then without the foil for like 1 hour. 45 minutes. That's it. Okay, so the chicken is in the oven, and now I'm going to do the side. Naf is currently chopping my carrots, but we're peeling the carrots for me, and I'm going to do like a honey type of glazed carrot. I have potatoes on boil. We're going to do roast potatoes, but what I do, the best kind of roast potatoes that you could make is basically boil it for maybe 7 minutes. So what I've done is I put oil, thyme, rosemary, salt, pepper and flour to about 3 tablespoons, and you just toss it like this basically, and 1 tablespoon of oil as well. You just toss it over until it's completely coated, then you put it in the oven tray and cook for about an hour. I think I just wing it. Okay, now to whack this in the oven. I currently have broccoli and cauliflower on boil. There's no Brussels sprouts or parsnips, so I'm doing this instead. I was gonna make homemade Yorkshire puddings, but for some reason now they've failed like every single time I've made them. So yeah, they're just or they're cakey. So I've just picked up the Aunt Bessie's ones and cooking them instead. I'm making sage and onion stuffing as well with it. I've boiled the carrots for about, I think, maybe 5 minutes. I've put a sprinkle of cinnamon powder, sprinkle of salt, and now what I'm going to do is put some honey on top. It just makes it really nice and sweet, glazes them, and then just cook them then. So I ain't gonna lie, I just messed up iftar quite a bit. Everything's still cooking and it's past iftar. Everybody looks kind of pissed at me, but it's okay, Maliha. Somebody's like, no. Somebody's not even fasting, honey. Okay, anyway. And this is food done. It was a success. Chicken, caramelized onion, veg, roast potatoes, stuffing, and the Yorkshire pudding's done. The kids are still awake, as you could see.
I'm not buying it.
They're crazy.
You're tripping.
Crazy.
Okay, now tell me who wants...
But everybody loved my roast.
Okay.
Loved my roast.
Okay.
That was great. It was nice.
Yeah, thank you. Would you say it was the best roast that you've ever tasted?
Well, definitely not.
Oh, okay. I was like,
But if it makes you feel any better, yeah, it was the best best roast I ever tasted.
Okay, how does it come in the ranking fields?
I'm not a roast guy. I don't eat a lot of roast.
I don't like stuffing. And now
Yes.
It was good though. I like
It was good though. Okay, on that note, baga. Everyone's ate and everyone's done, and we're gonna just pray. And it's the 29th. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's the 29th night. It's an odd night, so we're gonna pray Tarawih. It could be Laylatul Qadr. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's Ramadan day 29, Caleb. Ooh, it's gonna be Eid soon, Bobo.
I don't like green, I like pink.
Oh, there's only a green one left, baby.
I don't like this one.
Oh.
What was it? Can you find it?
Check from this one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, this
my
one's fine.
favorite.
I'll put this one into this one now. There we go. There we go. Eid.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Okay, Mama, I'll get you Play-Doh, Mama. Okay. So it's the final day of Ramadan. It's just been announced that Eid is tomorrow. I'm so bunged up and so ill, but I need to go and get the kids' toys from Smith's now. So I'm heading out to Smith's to meet Nafia and the kids so they can choose the Eid stuff. So I really wanted it to be Eid on Wednesday, but it's still Eid. It's fine. Have to depart from Ramadan right now. I hope, inshallah, Allah accepts each and every one of our fasts, du'as, every single effort that we've done this month. I hope it's accepted, and I hope you guys have had an amazing Ramadan, because I've had an amazing one, and I hope you guys have an amazing Eid. Okay, so we're doing iftar in the next door pizza shop to my mother's salon. Eating chips right now. Alhamdulillah. It's because we need to help in the salon, which is why I'm quickly eating something very quick. And in Mama's salon, and my first client is Caleb.
Mama.
I did his name.
Do another star.
Okay, I'll do another one. Caleb, say Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Mubarak, everyone.
I just did Hareem's henna. Wow. How stunning is this?
Say wow.
Are you show you henna? Oh, wow. What did you
this got chemicals in it, innit?
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
Okay, let's wash it. Yeah, ready for Eid, yeah? Okay, but see, I my camera messed up a little bit because I left this stuff at home, so I'm using my phone. Oh, I love these. What are these? This is my favorite. Rare. Is it really a day before Eid if I don't see this one?
Are you talking to me? Oh.
Yes,
Sorry. I was like, sometimes you do a selfie, so that's why I don't know. I know, do you know what? I have to come here.
I know.
Someone just called me and they were like, I know you're going to be there.
Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Maliha,
Yeah, Ma.
help Subi. Oh,
Okay.